Guys, mag-e-end ako ng 11. So, I hope na pa-10K nyo ako for my third day. Ang cute ni Steph. Nag-message si Steph, I miss you, baby. Mention the films. Okay. Sa digital, nasa YouTube yung The Chosen One, Season 1. It's a horror, it's a suspense thriller. There's also in YouTube, The Chosen One Season 2, Kakatakot. It's a fantasy comedy. The cinema, wala siya sa digital ngayon. It was being shown in cinemas. The When Magic Hurts, that's my first ever movie. I have also some snippets from Unbreak My Heart and then Pamilya Sagrado. So far, guys, I'm so blessed. Sa 2022, 23, 24, for almost 3 years, or 3 years, uh, I'm just so blessed na nabigyan tayo ng opportunities. Hi, Luna! Good evening, Luna. Sa Viva Max, no. Hindi naman sa, wala akong bilib sa mga co-artists doon. It's just, hindi ko lang nakikita yung sarili ko for that kind of role. I think I am the type of woman na hindi papasok sa ganong larangan. Yeah, Feet on the Ground. That's right. Thank you, Bang. Magwewelga ang berries. True. Kahit nga lang, hindi pa nga ako nag-post guys ng two-piece ko Wala namang mali doon kasi nasa tamang edad na ako. Pero wala pa. Hindi pa ako nagpo-post ng bikini photo sa beach. Hindi pa. Wala pa akong photo. Hanapan niyo ako guys, wala pa.